Namaste everyone, this is Guru Dharam and Krume, yay! So in this class we will learn two special postures that many people do mistake. Actually every posture when we practice is not a mistake if you didn't get the injury, but if we do wrong posture then might be we get the injury is 98% has chances. So in this video we will learn two posture which is come from the moon salutation one posture and one posture come from the Bhujanga Namaskar sequence. So we are talking about the Chandra Asana, holding the moon pose and low lunge Anjaneyasana. So let's begin. So Krume will show you what is the common mistakes what the people do during the moon salutation. So let's begin. So whenever we practice, we do over stretching some part. So let's see what is the detail. So when we do knee down and then we raise the hands up. So many people they do the common mistake just like Krume gonna show you now. Yeah, but actually we should not do over stretch. That's going to can be hurt your back, your shoulder or the movement, because during the moon salutation we need to work with mindfulness. So whenever we are here in the Ashwasanchalan Asana, you drop your knee down and slowly open your chest first and then roll the shoulders and then bend forward, raise the hands from the front to up. After you bring your hands up, open, palms facing up, palm is facing up, stretch your wrist, need to stretch the wrist. Why we need to stretch the wrist? Because we imagine that here is the moon, so holding the moon, and remember behind foot need to tuck the toes. Why? Because we are holding something, so behind foot have to strap. So we can hold like a support from the behind leg. Okay, once we done, then hands down. So in Bhujanga Namaskar sequence, whenever we do Ashwasanchalan Asana, so actually palm is facing up. So after palm facing up we have done, then palms come down, knee down, foot down, and open your chest first. Maximum, open your hands down. And then hands forward from the side to the front and interlock the thumb and then come up. So when we come up, we stretch maximum, but remember our shoulders, if you make like this, like a twist, so it's going to affect on the back. So better, so make your both chest front of the mat equal. So it's going to be open your hip joint, stretch your psoas muscles, and so many benefit you will get. So once we're done, we switch the second leg or we can keep continue practice. So whenever we practice, we have to practice with full of awareness. So this is a small video, small clip to let you understand whenever we practice from the foundation. So this has so much value, so much information and so much detail to learn about the foundation. So if you understand this class, this video, please feel free to share with your friends, with your Facebook, with your YouTube, wherever. Feel free to let us know by comment. So we will see your comment and we will understand, you understand very well. So see you in next video. Namaste everyone.